Hello, community. I am happy that you joined me once again on my Ignite Family Engagement channel. Watching my videos on this channel makes others aware of the importance of family engagement information. For those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Be sure, though, to subscribe to my channel so that you will become a part of my unique community. Just press the tab below to subscribe. Also, I invite all of you to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. With so many YouTube channels existing today and so much information being presented, sometimes it's just hard to determine if the knowledge that's being presented comes from a reliable source. So I decided to give you a chance to become familiar with my backstory so that you would get to know me. There are probably a lot of things about me that you simply don't know. So that's the purpose of this video. Let's get started. Did you know that I am a mother? So maintaining positive relationships with educators and being an example to other parents is something that's very important to me. Did you know that I used to teach family and consumer sciences? It used to be called home economics. Teaching this content area and teaching courses like family and child development, parenting, foods and nutrition, sewing, and consumer education really helped me to realize the importance of making sure that the needs of the family were met. Did you know that I used to be a school and district level administrator? I was an assistant principal, principal director of Pupil Personnel Services, and assistant to the superintendent for family and community engagement and volunteerism. My concern for the family continued as I found ways to help other educators realize how important it was to partner with the parents and families of their students. Did you know that I was an educator in an urban school district as well as a suburban and rural districts? All of my professional experiences in all of the different learning environments that I worked in confirm the reality that all schools and educational programs are not equal. This also confirmed the reality that the parents in some of the schools are more involved and participative than they are in other schools. The realization is that students are stronger learners in places where families are more engaged. Unfortunately, learners experience overall struggles when their parents remain absent in their educational life. There's more information about me. Did you know that I worked as a professor of multicultural education in 2 different universities for many years while I worked as a school administrator? This enabled me to share strategies with teachers and other educators so that they became more culturally responsive. Did you know that I am aware that there is a problem with parent involvement and parent participation that impacts many schools in a really bad way? I responded to this problem by taking an early retirement so that I could focus my professional efforts to solving this problem. This problem has caused this area of education to be broken in many places. Did you know that my biggest response to this brokenness was writing and publishing a book as soon as I retired? The name of my book is called Repair the Broken Pieces. It can be purchased on my website and on Amazon. Did you know that I developed a strategy, a framework that educators can use to build authentic relationships with all parents, especially diverse parents? It is called Engagement Fusion. I describe how educators must take the lead in building genuine relationships and partnerships with parents by expanding their perspective and by avoiding tolerance. Instead, I explain how acceptance and respect will increase their capacity to have compassion and empathy for their parents. Ultimately, increased levels of family engagement will result. I promote this in all of my work. Remember, it's called Engagement Fusion. Did you know that I am a family engagement influencer? I am working very, very hard to ignite family engagement in education. I write many articles related to the topic of family engagement, and I have a blog. All of these articles are found in my virtual library, and they are free. I also have a 13-module e-learning course for educators that is very affordable. These things can be found on my website at www.drdeborahmveren. That's www.drdeborahmveren.com. Now that you know that I am a serious YouTuber dedicated to improving this area of education, perhaps you'll watch more of my videos. Please remember that I am an experienced expert in the area of family engagement. I am here to help solve problems related to low to non-existent levels of parental involvement and participation that exists in many learning environments. This concludes my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.